I'm gonna show you my Star King watch that I purchased off Amazon a few days ago. It took like 2 or 3 days to get here, and if you want it the next day, you can do the Prime. But this is what it looks like. Well, this is the box that it came in, and for $49, you can't beat this watch. This is a nice looking watch. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out of the package, and this is what it looks like in the package, straight out of the package. Ready to put on. Don't need to add no battery or nothing. This is the back side of it. It got a clear face on the back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this watch on. I'm gonna take off my Citizen watch, which I've had forever, for 25, 30 years. And this watch is really easy to put on. As you can see, watch how easy it is to put on. Just put it on my wrist, come here, right here, and latch it. It's on. Really nice watch. If I zoom in, let you look at it, and for $49, you can't beat it. So if you would like to purchase this watch, look in my description below, and you can get it off of Amazon. And also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you.